Hi. The way the exam is going to work for online-only students is that I'm going to be emailing you a copy of the exam, but you're not going to be doing your answers on that copy. You're just going to be using it to read the questions and the answers. I'm going to be sending you a link to a separate Google form. That Google form will have numbers 1 through 250, because there are 250 questions on the exam. You will then have on each question A through Z, because each answer is somewhere from A through somewhere near Z. You will enter your answers into the Google form. You will not write the answers on the exam. Once you enter the answers into the Google form, I should be able to play with the grade fairly quickly, and hopefully I'll be able to post accurate first semester grades, which includes first and second quarter, as well as this exam. Remember, you have a study guide. If you're studying that, you should be fine. Remember also that if you have work, it should be in by 3 p.m. Tuesday. This kind of exam answer system is the best I could come up with under the circumstances. I expect you to do the exam while the rest of us are. Try your best to make sure you don't lose track of which question you're on. Take extra time to do that so that you don't end up answering question 231 when you think you're answering question 230. You want to make sure that your answers match, and that's going to require a little extra effort from you. So this is what's coming. I wanted to let you know so that you could psychologically prepare yourself. On the day of the exam, in the morning, just before the normal exam would begin, in the early and later sessions, you should get both an email of the exam itself, which you can read off the screen. You don't have to print it if you don't want to, and the Google form that you will open up and complete and then submit, and that will be the answers to your exam. Have a good weekend. Have a good week. I'll see you next week in some way, shape, or form, if only through your exam, if nothing else. Take care.